When I do good, I feel good. This is by Abraham Lincoln. Good morning. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing well and hope your week has been great to date. Well, my name is Victor Quajer, your business success coach and consultant. And once again, I come here with Business Building Blocks, episode 29 for 2023. Now, irrespective of where you are in your life and what challenges you may be facing, the easiest way to get your attention off your own struggles is to focus on someone else's and see how you can help them solve their problem or bring some comfort and positive assurance to them. It can be as simple as giving away just a smile to a stranger. The interesting thing is that even businesses make their money by focus on other people's problems to solve. Yes. And if you do it right, in the end, it makes them the money that puts a smile on their face as they walk to the bank. That says a lot about life. Be less focused on yourself and rather seek to help others, either through your gifts, personality, or skills. With a good heart and commitment, you always win in the end and contribute to the peace and progress of society. Think about that, and I hope this inspires you. Well, once again, if you desire to start a business or grow existing business and to achieve greater success, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll be more than glad to help you. And do not hesitate to check out our podcast, from which we share so much detailed information, quality content to help your entrepreneurship journey as well as in other areas of your life. Thank you once again and do have a wonderful, restful weekend. God richly bless you. Speak to you soon.